Hello guys, my name is Max and welcome to my traveling channels. Today I'm with Samut Prakan and the ancient city park. It just extended the BTS to the Samut Prakan, so it's very easy to get here. It took about 1 hour 20 minutes from the center of Bangkok city. It costs just about 50 for the BTS and then like 50 for the taxi for like 4 hours. Like 10 minutes taxi ride, so it's very fast to get here because previously it took 2 hours on a taxi from Bering, but now with extended it's very convenient. So I just got my bicycle here. The tickets cost 700 baht and they give you a bicycle. So let's go and see what's inside.
The park works from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and have a big range of bicycles to choose from.
As you can see from the map, the park has the shape of Thailand. So it has like all the buildings here are built the same way. So if you go to the central, here is central Thailand architecture. All buildings here are new, of course, but it still gives you some prospect on what's Thai culture like, what's Thai architecture, and you can learn from that too. This is botanical garden and it's about Thai literature. So here on these walls there is a Thai poems. If only I could understand Thai. In this part of the park is the most exhibitions are stayed on the water. Yes, it's a part of the culture because, as you know, in Thailand there's a lot of markets, which like a floating market, which are built just on the water, and a lot of people here live on the water too. So this is a great thing. So here is a Buddha statue, and this area looks like Ayutthaya. I don't know if you have been in Ayutthaya, like old kingdom of Thailand, so like classic ruins and stuff like that. On one of the YouTube videos I saw that some guy actually saw this place is actually Ayutthaya. So some guy just said to the taxi driver to take him to ancient city. The taxi took him here and he thought this is actually Ayutthaya, but it's not. Ayutthaya is a totally different place, and there is like railroad, but here just a simple park. But it still looks, pretty natural. So as I get to the eastern part of a park, I started to see the more like Khmer architecture, and it's different compared to Taiwan. On this hill behind me there is a big temple of Khmer style, and unfortunately it's closed today. Actually they told me it is closed for the past 2 years. I was here in 2013 and it was open. I made some photos. Here they are. And I was here as like 20 years ago. I was 6-7 years old, and here's those photos. I really like this hill because you can go up on it, and then it's like for like very interesting architecture, and there's like small places to go in, and it's like look on like copy of like Khmer buildings and Angkor Wat, so I just really like it. So yeah, it is closed. No entry. But I hope I can find the Mavic place.
The park is located quite away from Bangkok, and it's a lot of fields around it. to fly drone got out of the park because I assume it's prohibited to fly inside. This is a copy of Pravihir temple, which is located between Thailand and Cambodia. Thailand and Cambodia disputed over it for over a century, but the temple actually belongs to Cambodia now. It's located about 140 kilometers from Angkor Wat. The temple was built on a hill by Khmer Empire in 12th century.
So continuing with the Cambodian style architecture, there's one more small temple, and here, if you like not your shot, you can go in and go inside. Yeah, but it's like not very convenient to do that. And here, more. And also for convenience there is like broken wall, so if you can't get through that you can just go here. Yeah, it's convenient. So I guess it's enough with Cambodian Khmer culture. It's time to go to the central Thai and see what else in the park, because as you can see the sun almost down, it's getting late, but I hope to really get this is as a part. This area is like classic. This area is like classic Thai architecture. It's like central Thai, which is seen in Bangkok, which you see. Looks like a Grand Palace, mostly. And let's get closer. Maybe it's like, I think there's like, can get in. Inside there is not allowed to take photos or videos, so just talk. There's like statues and Buddha statues as in the gods, and it's more like museum, so it's very important and just nothing to see here. But it's like, if you wonder, yeah, get here and look. Alright. Here is one more temple. It's like a cute one with a gold, and it's called like for the footprint of Lord Buddha. But for this place, I just have like cool child photos from here, which I'll show you. This is the most interesting about this place. This is one of the lightest places I want to show you here. It's a big fish, which we call it. So the sun is getting down and I'm going to the end, and I want to get a little summary about the park. So the most advantage of the park is like all things are new, they renovated, they built, so like they're very good for pictures. And the second thing is the bicycle. If you like the bicycle, here's good roads, like it's very calm, like not very hot and windy, and like nice ride. Everybody who I know like riding bicycle here. So if you're into the bicycle and into photos, but if you want like ruins, if you want like history, you want to feel like culture and other stuff, just, I don't know, go to Ayutthaya, go to any different place, because here it's all kind of fake. But you know, what's fake is not fake, it's like kind of objective. But what I really hope is like people come here and don't misunderstand this place as Ayutthaya. No, it's not. So, thank you for watching, and goodbye.